Hello, today we are talking about a poem of mothers among other things. This poem is written by A.K. Ramanujan. Before we are talking about a poem, we must know something about Ramanujan. Ramanujan is a trilingual poet who wrote in English, Tamil, and Kannada. He has been immensely popular both as a poet and a translator. He settled in Chicago in the States and stayed there till his death in 1993. He was the William E. Colvin Professor of South Asian Languages and Civilizations, Linguistics, and a member of the Committee of Social Thought at the University of Chicago. He was an award-winning translator and poet whose poetry, translation, and essays have been widely published and anthologized. Although he was a voluntary exile from India, yet he never ceased to be an Indian. Much of his poetry is based upon his recollection of the past. His is poetry in which memory plays a vigorous creative role. We find personal and autobiographical elements in his poetry. The prescribed poem of mothers, among other things, obituary and river, and other poems like love poems for a wife, and a small scale reflections on a great house illustrate Ramanujan's preoccupation with motifs and ancestral heritage and memory. The poem of mothers, among other things, appeared in Relations poem 1971. It shows that this poem is about the poet's own mother. He takes a trip down the memory lane and conveys to us his own impression of his mother during the different stages of her life. Although the poet spent 3 decades of his life in the USA, yet he remembers his mother and yearns for her. When the poet's mother was young, she was beautiful and delicate like silk and white petal of the flower. She wore earrings studded with 3 diamonds. Rays of bright light splashed from them. However, with the passage of time and the burden of misfortune, he lost her youth and beauty. She grew old and withered. Her hands were wrinkled and her fingers became twisted. Her saris hung loosely around her body and her old age. She could not easily pick up a grain of rice from the kitchen floor. Ramanujan expresses his deep anguish and nostalgic yearning in this poem. Ramanujan has used vivid visual images through which he described the different stages of his mother's life: youth, middle age, and old age. The expression, the crying cradles, has transferred epithet in it. It is the baby who is crying, not the cradle, and white petal of my mother's youth, is a very apt and appropriate expression. The simile in which the poet compares her hands with the wet eagle's two black pink wrinkled feet is very suggestive. The poet says that his mother's saris hung upon her body loose to suggest that she has become old, lean, and thin. Her saris hung like broken feather from the wings of a wounded bird. It is a beautiful simile and added to the charm of the poem. Diction and imagery in this poem is remarkable for the beauty of its diction. and imagery. The poet's memory plays a vigorous creative role in the poem. Expressions like the silk white petal of my mother's youth, splash handful of needles, crying cradle, her hands are the wet eagle's two black pink crinkled feet. Her sari hung loose feather of a on one-time ring proves that Ramanujan uses the right word in the right place. He uses simple, everyday words which are meaningful and terse. In this lyric of mother, among other things, Ramanujan tells us about this mother during various stages of life. In her youth, she was beautiful and like the silk and white petals of flower. He has remembered that there were three diamonds in her earrings. He has nostalgic memories of her rushing to the cradle if the baby cried. With the passage of time, and under burden of she lost her youth. Youth grew old and withered. Some of the poems pertaining to his family life concern it to recollection of childhood. For Ramanujan, the family is one of the central metaphor, which he thinks the family relations haunt the poet time again. There are many poems which owes their origin to the collected personal emotions. They deal with the poet's memory of his relationship. Ramanujan is a linguistic and an anthropologist, a translator, and a poet and at once. He is a poet of talent who has established himself as one of the most talented of new poets. His poetry is a beautiful blend of emotions and reasons, heart and head, memory and desire, personal affiliation and literary reminiscence, childhood and age, India and America, closes in it. Indianness has irresistible charm for all of us. Thus, this poem of Mother, among other things, Ramanujan's a great poem. Thank you.